Hey Jettie Rockers, welcome to Jettie Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. On this video, we're going to do another catch and cook, and we're going to be doing a catch and cook on a northern puffer fish. This is small fish that everybody catches around here. They're very, very plentiful, but you do got to be careful on what county you harvest them in, you keep them, because in some counties here in Florida, you cannot keep them. In my county, Volusia County, you're not allowed to keep them. Just happened, I caught one in Flagler County, which is right down the street from me. I caught one in Flagler County and I was able to keep it, but we only caught one. So real quick, check out this real short clip of Amber catching northern puffer fish, and then I'll see you guys at the cleaning table. Something. What you got, babe? Oh, you got a big old puffer. Big old puffer. Holy cow.
You got it.
Good. Alright.
You gonna keep it?
Yeah, I'll do a catch and cook on him. Alright guys, real quick, I just want to talk about the northern puffer and all puffer species. You know, here in Florida, some counties you cannot keep them, just like I said in the intro. In Volusia County and in Brevard County and a couple other counties, you cannot keep them. You cannot keep them at all. They're prohibited. Why? I don't really know. It don't really make sense to me, because this is a fish that most locals have been eating for a very long time. But you can keep them in Flagler County. And luckily for me, I live really close to Flagler County. I'm just 10 miles away and I'm in Flagler County, and I do fish that area quite often. You guys be very careful what county you're fishing in and what fish you're keeping, because rules change from county to county, and I'm just finding this out myself, to be honest with you. I never knew that before. I never knew that puffer fish you weren't allowed to keep them in Volusia County. But thanks to a subscriber, I can't remember which subscriber it was, but thank you, whoever you were, for letting me know that, and I did some research, and in fact it is. Alright guys, well, we're just going to go real quick, and we're just going to open up the fish rules app, and we're going to look for puffer fish. As you can see right there, it's in red, because this app picks up where you're at by GPS. It finds your location and it tells you all the rules. And there you can read for yourself. And then we'll go no regulations for federal, so if you catch it offshore you can keep it. Okay, and if you go to the FWC website, as you can see right here, it tells you what counties they are not allowed to keep. So you can see right there, you're not allowed to keep Volusia County, Brevard County, Indian River County, St. Lucie, and Martin counties. You are not allowed to harvest puffer fish. But all the other counties in the state of Florida, you are allowed to harvest them. Alright, well, all that being said, now you guys know the rules on puffer fish. Again, I don't understand why you're not allowed to keep them. Maybe because you can get sick from them if they're not cleaned correctly. But I don't think that's enough for the county to get involved to say you can't keep them. I don't really understand that. I've been eating puffer fish since I was a teenager. I've never been sick, but I was taught how to clean them at a young age. So I just don't really know what to say on that, to be honest with you. But here in Volusia County, can't keep them. So from now on, I will not be keeping them anymore if I'm in Volusia County. But if I happen to be in other counties and catch one, it will come home with me, because it is a very, very delicious fish. Sorry. Alright guys, if you could just leave some comments in the comments section. Let me know if you've tried the puffer, if you eat the puffer, you know, if you can keep them in your county, and what your thoughts are on this fish. Because it is, I didn't realize it was, but it is kind of a controversial fish that I'm finding out. I know there's a lot of videos out there on cleaning puffer fish and eating puffer fish. So I had no idea that it was illegal to keep them in certain counties. So So let me know your comments. Let me know how you feel about the puffer fish, and if you have anything to say about it at all, I'd like to hear it. All right, guys, here's our puffer, our nice little northern puffer. This is a pretty big one, actually. So I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it. Hopefully I don't mess it up, because if you bust the bile gland inside this fish, you cannot eat this fish. You have to throw it away. Okay, so I go right behind where these fins are, about where the skull ends, and the skin's real tough, so I'll just go ahead and cut through the skin. That's a lot easier said than done. Okay, bust through just like that, and then I'm just going to cut down. Go all the way through just like that. Now you're going to flip the fish over, squeeze all that out. Basically just going to turn this fish inside out. Just like that. Sometimes it works better than others. Oh, there you go. It's going now. There you go. Nice clean piece of meat. Basically looks like a chicken leg or a frog leg. And there's no green color on here, so I did not break the bile duct, and there it is. There's a little gland right there you do not want to break. That little gland right there breaks, throw the whole thing away. Clean your knives, clean your cleaning table, get rid of everything. Do not break that little gland. So now we'll just clean this up. I take these little flaps off here. Don't really need them. There we go, guys. That's how you clean a puffer fish. Alright guys, we're in the kitchen. I got my puffer fish that I just cleaned the other day, and I had a buddy of mine bring me 2 more puffer fish he caught the other day fishing in Matanzas, which is in Flagler County, by the way. So he brought me 2 puffer fish. He caught a whole bunch of them. It was nice enough to give me a couple, because I was telling him that I was doing a video and only had one. So I appreciate that, my friend. You know who you are. And I'm going to go ahead and bread these up. Just use my house archery. Just bread the whole fish up just like this. Looks kind of like a chicken leg or a frog leg. And we got these other ones right here. There we go. And one more. Alright, so now we'll just wait for that green light on my fryer, and we'll cook these bad boys up. There they go, look pretty good. Alrighty, we got the green light right there on the fryer. So we're going to go ahead and put these bad boys in here. Our little ocean chicken legs. Deep sea chicken legs, that's what we're going to call them. There we go. Alright, got those in there. Got the oil at 375 degrees. Cook them for about 3.5 minutes, maybe 4 minutes. Till they're nice and golden brown, and they'll look like a chicken leg. Alright, they're looking really good. Nice and golden brown. Looks just like a chicken leg with a fried drumstick. Alright. I'm just going to go ahead and salt these real quick, just like I do on my fried fish. There we go. Alrighty guys, I'll get these plated up and I'll see you guys on the couch. Alrighty guys, so here we are. We got our deep sea drumstick, or deep sea chicken leg here. Just gonna pull the fin out. Pull the bottom fin out. Now, puffer fish do not have rib cages, so you don't have to worry about rib cages on a puffer fish. All they have is the backbone. And so here we go. Let's try it out. Look at that, guys. I mean, that, oh, wow. Awesome. I mean, holy cow. Just like eating a drumstick. I mean, it is just It is incredible. I've been eating these things for a long time. I absolutely love them. They're just an amazing, amazing fish. But as we have found out, you need to pay attention to where in Florida you catch these, because they're illegal to keep in some counties. Unfortunately, in my county, they're illegal to keep. But luckily, I live close to Flagler County. I live close to Palm Coast. I live close to Matanzas. And I have a lot of friends that fish that area. And like today, I only had one to start out with. I told my buddy, and he brought me 2 more. So I was really appreciative of that. So I got to eat 3 instead of 1. But they're awesome. I mean, they are just really good. And look at that. Such a good eating fish. I mean, they really are. I don't understand why they're illegal. I know some people may have gotten sick on them. If you clean them correctly, I promise you won't get sick, but you got to clean them right. If you bust that little gland at all, get rid of the whole fish, clean everything, and start all over. I mean, seriously, it's not worth getting sick. So that's what I would do. Anytime I've ever busted one, I've only ever done it a couple times, I just get rid of everything. Start over. If I only had 1 fish and I busted it, well, that's it. Don't get that fish. Just like deer meat for dinner. I'm sure a lot of you guys, a lot of my viewers watch deer meat for dinner. He's done a lot of catch and cooks on toadies, the checkered puffer. And it's basically the same fish, just a different species of the same fish. You got the checkered puffer, you got the northern puffer, you get green puffers. You just got a bunch of puffers. But they're really good, you know. But luckily, in the area that he lives, you're legally allowed to keep them. So that's awesome. So I want to thank you guys very much for watching this video, and I hope it was informative. I hope you guys learned a little bit out of it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I get to see you guys here again soon on the water. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers. Got tongue-tied there for a minute. I'll be seeing you all soon. Hey Jettie Rockers, thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jettie Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mug. I appreciate you guys very much. But check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jettie Rockers.